Well, good morning all. It is Sunday, it is Easter Sunday, and whilst I've got lots and lots of YouTube stuff to be doing because we had a great Saturday at Dynodaze, and we're officially open for you guys to come down on the next Saturday after that till the end of time, which is great news for everybody. Yeah, it is Easter Sunday, and today, fingers crossed, I'm in the diesel daily Colt, and I am getting it ready because I'm going to sell it. And it's been a great little daily for me. It's now officially done. Let's find out. It's now officially done 174,000 miles. It needs a clean out. I've been using it as a workhorse for a while now, so I've got to clean the outside. I've also got to clean the inside, get all my stuff out of it. In its ownership, it's been pretty good for me. I've spent a little bit of money on it. I'm going to ask 500 quid for this, because any diesel, I think, any little diesel with MOT's got to be worth 500 quid. Maybe I'm wrong. You guys can tell me in the comments below what you think. If you've got a diesel Colt, now is the time to post in the comments below how cool they are, because that will help me out no end. But yeah, I'm going to sell this and daily something else. It has been great. I've put a stereo in it, so I've been listening to my Spotify whilst driving to work daily. Yeah, so happy Easter Sunday, everybody, and have a great break if you're having one, and let's all get rested, because I think everybody's going to be getting back to work, which is great, and I know we are, so that's brilliant. Yeah, so little diesel Colt, 1.5 diesel, 3-pot, Mercedes engine, chain driven, seems to be fine. I've still got a glow plug, even though my glow plug light is no longer out, and it always starts because I turn the ignition on and then I turn it off and then back on again, and then fire it. It always starts, but my glow plug light's actually gone out, so don't know why, but I know that I need a glow plug in there. That's about it, really. That's about it really for this. I'm gonna put like photos and stuff, hopefully, when I'm ready to sell it. I'm gonna list it on Facebook. I'm gonna list it on the owners clubs. So if somebody wants to pick up this YouTube documented daily, if somebody wants to pick it up, give me a shout. I've got some interest already, but like I say, very open and honest when it comes to selling cars, so I need people to come and look at it and see if they want to give me 500 quid for it. But yeah, so I've got to get stuff out of it. The FN2 is still going really well. It's there. I've been doing bits and bobs to that, so I've still got some modifications that I've got ready to go onto that, so but they're only little ones, so I'll do that as well. Yeah, and I've got, like I say, I've got lots of content to upload, so I hope YouTube doesn't think I'm spamming, because I've got so many videos to upload, and I hope you guys get a chance to sit and watch them. Some cool stuff from yesterday, so yeah, let me know what you think to those as well. But otherwise, like I say, have an absolutely great Easter break, and yeah, I think I'm gonna go do some bits and bobs. So we shall we'll see you in a bit. But thanks, guys, and like I say, this is I probably like to do sort of a handover of my daily to the next guy video, and hopefully that whoever buys it will keep me posted with how long it's how it's going and how long it's gonna keep going, this diesel Colt. It's done some miles now, but it's never failed me, and I do what, 30 miles a day in it since I bought it. So yeah, so cool. I'll make a list of the stuff in my sale that I've done to it. But yeah, anyway, have a great. I'm gonna watch a bit of Star Wars later as well, I think. There's Carrie. So yeah, I'll catch you all later. Thanks, guys.
Light moves pretty fast.